Hello, we'll be discussing about the profit and loss in this class. So let's start our class without a further ado. First of all, we'll start with what is SP and what is CP. You might have heard about cost price and selling price. What is cost price? The cost that you pay for something, whatever you are buying, whatever you are putting your money in it, anything, that is cost price. The amount paid for a product or commodity to purchase it is called cost price, and we denote it with CP. CP stands for cost price. Okay. If you are buying something and the cost of transportation is also included in it. Suppose you are buying a TV for 10,000 rupees and you are paying 200 for transportation charges to get it to your home, then it will also include in cost price. Okay. All the things or all the rates, all the prices that you are paying to get your need is comes under cost price. Selling price, the amount for which the product is sold, any product, it may be anything, okay, is called selling price. It is usually denoted by SP, also sometimes called sale price. Okay. What is market price? You might have seen in all the type of commodities, you might have seen MRP or MP. Okay. This is called market price. At some points or at some commodities we are giving some discounts. Okay. Then that discount is on market price. Suppose market price is 100 rupees and you are given 20% discount. 20% discount means you are getting discount means choot. Okay, you are getting discount of 20 at rupees 100 when you are buying. When MP is marked, that is rate is marked 100 and you are getting 20% discount, means you are getting a discount of 20, because 100 into 20 by 100 into 100 cancel and 20 will be remaining. 20 will be the discount. Okay. So what will be SP then? SP will be, SP is selling price, MP is 100 and discount is 20. So what will be SP? SP will be 80. Okay. That is how SP is calculated from MP. If discount is given or discount percentage is given, discount is mark price minus selling price. If you will find selling price, what will be mark price minus discount. Okay. And if you found discount percentage, it will be discount at what? MP into 100. Okay. MP mark price. If you are suppose if you are gaining something, if you are, then it is called profit. Okay. We will see it in next slide. Suppose profit or gain, it is, suppose you are buying something at 100 rupees. What will be it? It will be CP, and you are selling that commodity at rupees 120. You are gaining something. What something is? It's 20. That is gain or profit. Okay. How much you are gaining? 20 rupees. Suppose you have to find gain percent or profit percent. Then what will you do? Gain. That how much you have gained. At what you will gain? You will gain at CP, that is cost price, into 100. That is how you will find the gain percent or profit percent. If we want to find our loss percent, what is loss? Suppose you are buying something at rupees 100 and you are selling it at rupees 80. Then the amount that you are losing is the loss percent. Okay. Loss percent. What is that amount here? 20. And when we are finding loss percentage, then 20 at what? CP into 100. That will be the loss percentage. Okay. That's how we calculate profit and loss percentage. I hope this is clear to all of you. This is the formula. In some questions we are asked to find the profit or loss percentage at CP or SP. Okay. suppose we are finding the profit percent at SP, then we will do profit divided by SP into 100. But that is how when we have to calculate profit percent at SP, but that will be done only on the question when we will be specifically asked about when we have to calculate the profit percent on SP. Okay, otherwise we will calculate on CP only. So now we will be discussing some question on this simple question on this concept. Suppose, first of all, cost price of an article is ₹40. If it is sold at a profit of 6.25%, how much would it be selling price? Would be its selling price. देखो, when we are given CP 480, we are given what? 6.25% is profit percent. 6.25%, and we'll have to calculate selling price. Okay, when we are calculating the selling price from CP and profit percent or loss percentage is given, then the formula that we apply is cost price into first of all we'll calculate how much profit we made. Okay, first of all we'll calculate the profit, and how we'll calculate it? Cost price into 6.25, the percentage of profit that we are given, divided by 100, and then we will add this CP, this profit into CP. Okay, CP plus profit will be selling price. So what will we do here? We will calculate 480 का 6.25% निकालेंगे हम. Okay, and then we will add it into CP. Okay, it will be around 25.4 into 100, 25.4, 16.30, it will be 30 rupees 30. Okay, and when we'll have to find SP, it will be 480 plus 30, it will be 510 rupees. Okay, and one more tip is here. What it is, देखो, we are giving the profit percent 6.25%. if you have done percentage in a good way, then you might have known that 6.2% is equal to 1 by 16. When we are given profit percent, 16 is what? 16 is CP, because we are calculating the profit at what? CP, and 1 is what? 1 is profit. Okay, 1 profit है, CP है 16, we are given 16 is equals to 480. हमें दिया है प्रॉफिट कितना है 480. 16 equals to 480 means 1 is equals to 30, because 16 3s are 48. Okay, 1 is equals to 30 means this is what? 1 profit. We are having a profit of 1 at 16, so 1 is equals to 30, and what will be SP then? SP is 480 plus 30, 510. Okay, this is a short trick. 480 plus 30 equals to 510. You don't need to do that much calculation in this question if you are very clear with the percentage. Suppose, see the question number 2 now. If the selling price of an article is reduced by 40%, selling price is reduced. Suppose SP is 100 and selling price is reduced by 40%, means SP is 60 now. Reduced by 40% means we are reducing it by 40. When we are taking it 100, then what will we do? We will just subtract the 40 out of 100, and the cost price remains the same. Cost price same है. The profit reduces by 50%. Profit reduce हो जाता है 50% से. Means what does it mean? पहले है 100 selling price, अब है 60. प्रॉफिट कम हो रहा है 50%. What does it mean? प्रॉफिट कितना कम हो रहा है एक्चुअल में? 100 - 60 40 हो रहा है. ठीक है, यही 40% है. यही 50% है, सॉरी ये 40 है, यही 50% है, तो टोटल 100% कितना होगा? 100% 80 होगा। 100% प्रॉफिट 80 है, मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस हमने लिया है 100% प्रॉफिट है 80। तो हम CP निकालेंगे कैसे? 100 माइनस 80, 20 आएगा CP। ठीक है, CP 20 आ जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा प्रॉफिट आ रहा है 80। तो हमें निकालना है ओरिजिनल परसेंटेज, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज ऑफ द आर्टिकल। ओरिजिनल प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज कैसे निकालेंगे? हमें प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालते हैं? प्रॉफिट परसेंट, जितना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है कितने पे हो रहा है, एट व्हाट CP into 100. So how much profit we are having here? 80 at what? 20 into 100. What will be 20 4 ja 80? Profit percentage is 400%. Original profit percentage is. Okay. Now one more question we are having now. A merchant marks up the price of an article by 40% and 50% successfully. Then he gives discount of 20%, 25% successfully. Then the profit percentage earned by the merchant. You'll have to find the profit percentage earned by the merchant. देखो, when we are asked about the successfully, then you might be clear about, you should be clear about it. See, just suppose, just wait a minute. Just see now. Just suppose if you are giving, if CP is 100 and you are having two successive profit of 20% and 30%, what does it mean? First you will gain 20, means your SP will be 120. Then you are gaining 30% at 120. Okay, that is successive. 120 into 30 divided by 100. ठीक है, ऐसे होगा, और ये 36 रुपये गेन होगा, टोटल SP होगा 156. इट मीन्स 20 plus 30 doesn't mean 50% discount, it will be 56%. Okay, means first you are calculating 20%, then 30%, or you can do it by another way too. That is, if you are having 20 and 30% successive, then first of all you will add it and then multiply it and divide it by 100. Okay, 20 plus 30 50, एंड सॉरी यहाँ पे 100 आएगा. ठीक है, और ये आएगा 6, 50 प्लस 6 56%. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो इसको. ठीक है, जैसे A है और B है, प्रॉफिट A% B% सक्सेसिव है, तो कैसे करोगे? A प्लस B प्लस AB डिवाइडेड बाय 100, ऐसे करना है. ठीक है, अभी देखो ये क्वेश्चन. मर्चेंट मार्क्स अप द प्राइस ऑफ एन आर्टिकल बाय 40 एंड 50%. मान लो पहले मार्क प्राइस था 100, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट ही डू, MP1 क्या होगा? 140, बिकॉज ही इज मार्किंग अप द प्राइस बाय 40%. MP2 क्या होगा? 50% और इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. व्हाट डज इट मीन? 140 इंटू 3/2 लिख सकते हैं हम इसको, 270, 73 या 210, ये होगा 210 क्या होगा? MP. देन ही गिव डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20% एंड 25% सक्सेसफुली. पहले 20% देता है, फिर 25% देता है. फाइंड द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज अर्न बाय द मर्चेंट. देखो 210 में पहले दे रहा है वो 20% डिस्काउंट. 20% डिस्काउंट मीन्स हम इसको 80/100 लिख सकते हैं, एंड देन 25% डिस्काउंट, इसको लिख सकते हैं हम 75/100 लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, 25 3 जा 25 4 जा 420, 25 जा 5, 42, what will be it? 42 into 3, 126. ये क्या आ गया है हमारा? ठीक है, ये आ गया है हमारा SP. ठीक है, इतने पे वो बेचता है उसको. ओरिजिनल MP क्या था हमारा, जो हमने माना MP 100 था. गेन कितना हो रहा है इस पर? 26, बिकॉज 126 में बेच रहा है तो प्रॉफिट परसेंट कितना होगा उसका, 26%। ओके, आज की क्लास में हम बस इतना ही करेंगे। थैंक यू।